Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of October 23rd, 2022, Part 2. This week's theme is Spaghetti. On Top of Spaghetti by Tom Glazer, illustrated by Tom Garcia. On top of spaghetti, all covered with cheese. I lost my poor meatball when somebody sneezed. It rolled off the table and onto the floor. And then my poor meatball rolled out of the door. It rolled in the garden and under a bush. And then my poor meatball was nothing but mush. The mush was as tasty could be. And early next summer, it grew to a tree. The tree was all covered with beautiful moss. It grew great big meatballs and tomato sauce. So if you eat spaghetti all covered with cheese, hold on to your meatball and don't ever sneeze. Achoo! The end. Our craft is a spaghetti tree, and what you'll need is some green paint for the tree's leaves, just a little bit. I have mine on a plate there. You'll need some glue and your craft to go kit. All my construction paper just fell, sorry. It's a tree, and inside the bag we have some yellow ribbon for the spaghetti. You'll have some little meatballs, and you'll have a piece of bubble wrap. Don't pop it before you use it. And all we're going to do is we're going to make the tree first. I'm dipping the bubble wrap in the paint, and I don't want too much on it because I want the bubbles to pop up. And then we're just gonna put leaves on the tree like this. You can sort of see the bubbles in it. And just get it all over the tree. Make it nice and full. It's okay if you can still see branches through it, because in a real tree you do see branches. That's what the leaves cling on to. Okay, I think that's full enough. Maybe a little more on this side. Okay, now what you're gonna do, get a wipe, wipe your hands off. I just have my tissues here. Put the paint aside. Then we're gonna put on the meatballs and the spaghetti. How I'm gonna do the meatballs first, just because I feel like doing meatballs first. So put a little glue on the back and dip it down. Put them all over the tree, your nice meatball tree. Now that I have the meatballs all over the tree, I've got to put some spaghetti down. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on and glue the spaghetti. You might want to put the glue on a plate and dip the spaghetti in the plate. That way you don't have too much glue on your tree like I did. So I'm just dipping it in this one because I put way too much there. And the spaghetti can go anywhere you want. It can go any which way. It can hang down. goes up over the top there. Just make it look fun. That's all you need to do. I don't think I have enough on that one. And try to be careful to not get too much paint on the spaghetti, because that will not go away. The glue will dry clear, but the paint will dry green. And I got one more piece of spaghetti. I'm gonna dip it in here and stick it over there. And that is it, folks. That's my spaghetti tree. My meatball and spaghetti tree. I guess that's what the song says happens when your meatball rolls into the garden, huh? I don't think that would really work, but if it does, you let me know.